Hello guys, welcome, and in this tutorial we will learn how to create such puffy tool model in Blender. So if you're new here, please subscribe my channel. First you have to press Shift A, and here you have to choose cylinder from mesh. Okay. Then we have to go on edit mode and then select a face option, then select upper face and press I to insert the face, and go down, select face, and again press I to take a inset, or you can right click to select inset face option. Now you have to delete this face. Just hit delete key and select face option. Now here you have to select the edges. So just select single edge by selecting over here with shift and then press shift alt to select in a loop. Now you have to go here and on a face and select grid fill. Okay, same have to do with the bottom one. Same thing you have to do with bottom edges. Select grid fill option. Now guys, you have to click over loop option and then just click and drag to create a loop cut option. So here I'm just placing this loop cut over here, and you have to just click over here and increase the loop division just by clicking. Okay. Now you have to click over vertex mode and then select vertex and go to select option and then select checkered pattern option. Now here you have to right click and select bevel vertices option. So just drag a little bit your mouse to create a bevel of your selected vertex like that. Okay. Now you have to go on object mode. Then you have to go on a modifier and select subdivision surface option. You have to subdivide it 3 to 4 times over here. Just right click and select smoothing option, then apply over here. Now guys, most important part, you have to go on a sculpt mode and again click over here at the sculpt mode and select this option by face. Okay. Now guys, you have to press 3 for a front view. So just I'm pressing 3, and here I have to select box mask option. Now drag like that to select the mask. So selected area will not be affected. Now you have to select the cloth filter option. Just click here this, and you have to select inflate option here and then check this box. Just click and drag little bit on the left side and click over here and drag little bit in a right direction. So this is very sensitive. You have to try with yourself to understand how it works. So here I'm just clicking, dragging on right side to make some nicer look. So guys, this is the method that you have used to create a puffy kind of cloths in Blender. So guys, I hope you have liked this video. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, share and like. And thanks for watching guys. See you next tutorial. Thank you.